Hello there, welcome to Blink and Beep. In this video, I will quickly unbox and demo the Sonoff Wi-Fi smart switch. So just like any other Wi-Fi enabled smart devices, this can also be configured with Google and Alexa. Also, we get a smart app called EV Link to control the switch from our Android and iPhones. For this video, I will be showing you the wiring demo and how to control the switch through the EV Link mobile app. Here are some of the highlights of the product. First one, you can remote control it, single and countdown timing that is also available. Voice control probably through Alexa and Google, and also you can share the control. So the specifications are given in very small text here. I don't think it will be visible in the video. So I'll just read it out. The model is basic R2 and it works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi channel, not the 5 GHz. Dimension of the product is approximately 9 cm in length, 4 cm in width and 2.5 cm in height. The input is 100 to 240 volt AC. Similarly, the output is also 100 to 240 volt AC. The max load is 10 amps. So this is not suited for heavy appliances like heaters. You can still use it for devices like lights, fans and TVs. In the box, we get one Wi-Fi smart switch and 4 screws and one instruction manual. This, as you see, is a made in China product, so there is actually no seal to the package, and claiming warranty in case of any issues might be little difficult. The price is mentioned as 1200 INR, but I got this for 670 INR. The product link is in description, please check if needed. Alright, now let's unbox. This should be the quickest unboxing I have ever done so far. As we see, we have the switch, the 4 screws and panels on both sides to cover the wiring when it is done. The instruction manual is pretty much straightforward, just 5 steps on how to get the device running. On the switch, on one side we have line and neutral points for input, and on the opposite side we have the line and neutral points for the output. And here are the same information that we read on the box. Additionally, it is mentioned that we need to use only copper conductors. This black button is the manual pairing button. If the device is not in pairing mode, then we can long press this button for 5 seconds to enter the pairing mode. Now it's time to start the demo. So here is my setup. For the input, I have made use of a power cable that was available at my home, and for the output, I have connected my holder to the LED bulb. So the next step is to download the EV Link mobile app. Let's do that. Since we use the app for the first time, we need to register. Now we are provided with this home screen where we have this add button. So probably before doing that, we have to switch on our Sonoff device. So let's do that. Let's switch on the device. So the LED is now blinking with 2 short and 1 long beep. So that means that the device is in pairing mode. Now in the mobile, I'm clicking on the add button and clicking on quick pairing. Add one device. Hello. Now we need to enter the password for the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi channel, and as the screen indicates, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi channel is not supported. So make sure that you have connected your mobile to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi channel. So once you enter the password for your Wi-Fi channel, click on next. Now it's actually looking for a device to connect. Now the device is actually added successfully, and as we see, the LED indication is not blinking anymore. It's fully on. Next step, I'll just say living room. Done. So now the light is shown as turned off. I'll try to turn it on in my mobile to see if the LED light gets turned on. There we go. So good. Nice. And apart from that, we also get few more options to schedule, do a timer, loop timer, and all these things. So schedule is basically to turn on or turn off the device at a specific time every day. Using the timer, you can either turn on or turn off the device for the time that you have set as the interval. There is quite a lot of other features that this EV Link app has to offer. Setting scenes, and also it also has its own predefined scenes as well. I will try to cover those in a different video if possible. So that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope this was useful and informational to you. See you in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.